Your scholars, welcome to Amazing Mathematics class with Miss Damilola. Today we'll be talking about counting of numbers in sequence. So let's dive in. Counting in hundreds means you'll be adding 100 to numbers. When you add 100 to 100, 100 plus 100 will give you 200. 200 plus 100 will give you 300. 300 plus 100 will give you what? 400. Now counting by 10. When you add 10 to 100, it will give you 110. And when you add 10 to 110, it will give you 120. And when you add 10 to 120, it gives you what? 130. Now counting by adding 1. When you add 1 to 100, it will give you 101. And when you add 1 to 101, it gives you 102. Likewise, when you add 1 to 102, it will give you 103. Now, let's study the number patterns. You can see 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. What number do you think is added? Hundreds. 100 is being added to each numbers, so you can see it multiplied to 400, 500, 600, and the rest. Look at this example too. Counting to 1000, what do you think is added? What number do you think is added? 10. 900, 10 is being added, so it increases to 910, 920, so it goes like that till 1000. Hope you've learned a lot about counting in sequence. See you next class, and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Okay, see you next class. Bye.